Do you know about the Football World Cup insect? Let's find it out. Let him be. तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं जंगल कुक टू वर्ल्ड कप कुक NIANGTASER. Creepy people, we are going to find the creepy, not the creepy. So we are going to time to boot up because we heard there were leeches. How do I get the leech out?
It's basically we use the salt. It drops by itself. Else, if you get the rough leaf from there, make sure the leaf is rough, and you can take it out the leech easily.
Reptiles and the most dangerous, humans. Also, my brothers from Ri-Bhoi said that they spotted a python the other day. And they're saying that there are a lot of snakes in the jungle.
The snakes will be taking shelter, its own shelter here, I guess.
So we got boots from Normile.
So that's the cicada that we are actually out to hunt. I mean, this is not the one. The wings would come out from this one and they would become a full-blown cicada.
And how many NIANGTASER? You call, am I right? NIANGTASER?
Yeah, NIANGTASER.
Did you catch any today?
Maybe if possible tonight.
This is the second cicada. It was our second cicada. ये दूसरा cicada है हम लोग तो पकड़ा है.
So this is a technique in which you have to pluck it out like that.
Plug it out. And then squeeze the head.
And squeeze the head.
Like this.
Whoa.
I'm so sorry.
Like brutal.
Yeah.
But that's the way it is.
This one came out now, brother. इसका क्या करेगा पीछे वाला को?
पीछे वाला फेंक दो.
हाँ. माथा तो क्रश कर दे. उठाना? There's a Khasi Bhoi folklore. During an ancient epidemic, a woman named Taser lost her family and she got really sick and could not be cured. The local kinsman, fearing the spread of the deadly disease, left the woman deep in the forest all by herself and over time forgot about her. After 4 years, the kinsman remembered her and journeyed back into the forest to check on her. Surprisingly, they found no trace of the woman. Instead, they found a new breed of insects emerging from the ground where she had been left. It is believed that these 4-year cicadas were a transformation of the woman they abandoned, prompting them to name the bug NIANGTASER, Taser the woman, Niang meaning insect.
NIANGTASER.
NIANGTASER.
NIANGTASER. NIANGTASER.
That's a big one, no? Professor Imle is a professor at the Nehru University, Shillong. So we have come here to know more about NIANGTASER, also known as the work of insect, because it comes out every 4 years. I would like to ask Dr. Imle, even he has this question that why 4 years?
That's a big question. A big biological question.
Yeah. So from childhood, so you've been interested in this insect?
See, when we were children, we did not realize it's important. We saw people going, we catch, we eat. But then, of course, as time goes by and when I was in the university, I tried my level best to get someone to look into this. Because, you see, after we did the research, we found that this is the only periodical cicada which emerges in this Indo-Myanmar biodiversity. We don't have anywhere.
So today whole night we'll be able to.
Well, there are two cycles. You cannot, need not go the whole night. There are two cycles. One is at 7 or 8 in the evening. The other one is around 2 to 3 in the morning. There is no timing for, say like other insects like this one. Why particularly those two structures? In the night. That too in the night. Daytime, you will not. And it's very sensitive to many environmental parameters.
Thank you, Professor. I will not take much more time of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I'm here with my friend from Assam. They come from Assam to visit this festival, and they come here to experience this NIANGTASER Cicada. Kami naktilaw, kami nangte, ulapay, kami ula kusinong ulapay ulang betul. Ini penyedang lawan bam, ingin scam, saya gitu, ingin tempat juga, ulapay, ula lawan bam.
Along the way in the forest, we met a lot of villagers who shared their experiences about the cicada.
Well crushed.
Also share the meal with us. And now I'll differentiate between a male and a female cicada.
Okay. The 7 will be here.
Yes. If you pull like this, no, it will appear here.
Okay. Let them be.
It's different.
Oh, this is
Female.
this is female. So where is the L?
Yes.
Like the L.
That one thing you see there?
Which one? Few minutes back we got the male insect. So this time it's the female. We'll show you because it shows 7 numbers when it opens like this. Check it out. Yeah, that's a 7. 7, 7. Ipna parlo? Oh yes. 7. It's the female.
The forest lies in the NONGKHYLLEM Wildlife Sanctuary. It was a muddy terrain with climbs, muddy puddles, streams, bamboo grove, but it was all worth it. It was around 3 and 4 hours of trek. With the help of our guides, we made it, and now it's time to head back to our base camp, the festival. Let me show you around.
So this is the NIANGTASER insect, its head actually. Remember the World Cup, remember football, remember the insects, the cicadas. But this is here for a reason. We need to protect the forest to preserve the cicadas, the NIANGTASER. Until next time at the Spain and Portugal World Cup. See ya.